Hey guys, Britt here from WB Trees Consultants and WBTC3.com. We're talking today about deferred maintenance items on a multifamily commercial property. Let's do it. One thing that we can see really clearly as we approach this property is the parking lot. I've talked about this many times and in many videos, many other ways, but a parking lot that's full of potholes, that's got exposed granules, that's got missing layers, it's time for a mill and overlay service and a seal coat. The second thing you want to look for on a deferred maintenance multifamily commercial property is the roof covering. We can't see all of it here, but we can even stand up here and touch these. They look like clay barrel tile, but they're actually concrete, and you can see them discoloring. They are ready for either a paint service or replacement. And then on the top, we would walk this flat roof and decide how long we believe the covering has before it needs to be replaced. Thirdly, as is very common in the South, you're going to have HVAC issues, predominantly air conditioning. And everywhere really from North Carolina south, you're running air conditioning 9, 10, 11, 12 months out of the year. So you're going to pay very careful attention to the air handlers and the compressors, their age, to when they need to be replaced. Fourthly, and this doesn't always come up, if the owner is responsible for the interiors of these units, the interior finishes are going to come up at 5 years, 7 years, 10, 15, 20, depending on the type of finish. So you want to look at the parking lot, you want to look at the roof, the HVAC, and the interior finishes predominantly. Thanks again.